Job servicing is an amazing way to earn money online. And don't get me wrong, if you're a beginner, you might be thinking, how can you get started? Okay, how can you go about the entire idea revolving job servicing? Now, in this particular video, I'm going to be sharing with you two platforms that you have to master, to enable you get started on the right path to job servicing. Now, you might be saying that I don't have a lot of money to take job servicing courses and all of that. There are so many cheap courses over at udemy.com. You can go get some of them to learn the step-by-step basics revolving around job servicing, or watch some YouTube videos just like this one you're watching right now to learn a thing or two about job servicing and get you started. But on this particular video, I'm going to be walking you through how you can use these two platforms, master them and make money, using job servicing. Now, job servicing is an amazing business model because it gives newbies, the opportunity to make money for themselves online without having prior knowledge of a particular skill. That way they can render services, they can job service certain skills, and make money while doing it. All right, so you don't have to be like a tech guru or whatever to enable you make money online. So if this video is something that's going to help you, I recommend you give this video a like. I really appreciate it if you smash on the thumbs up button right now. And if this is your first time stopping by on my channel, my name is Francis Abokonye. I have a ton of videos teaching people how to make money online, and I'm based in Abuja, Nigeria. If this video is something that interests you, or you feel you gain a lot of value from it and you want more content like this one, I invite you to hit the red subscribe button, hit the bell icon. That way you get notified whenever I upload value-packed videos like this one. That way you don't miss out on anything. All right, let me know your thoughts in the comments. I would like to know what you think about this in the comments, and if you're going to be applying this method. Now, if you stay to the end of this video also, I'll be giving you another video idea. I'll be giving you another idea that you can use to make money online, to even help you make more money. All right, so with that being said, let's dive right in, and we're going to be going over this step by step because this is my own honest opinion, on how you can make money as a beginner with job servicing. Now, this is something I do also, and this is something I've seen that it is powerful and it is completely free. And the coolest part is this is worldwide. All right, you can do this regardless of where you are, as long as you have internet connection, and you don't need to pay any money. All right, there are so many other things you can do, all right, when you start making money, to scale your job servicing business. There's so many other things you can do to automate the entire process. But in this beginning phase, I'm going to be walking you step by step, on how you can use these two platforms and make a killing out of it, all right, while doing this the laser targeted way. So what you want to do first, is to understand what service you want to render, what category. All right, now in my next video, I'll be dropping a detailed tutorial, all right, walking you through everything step by step. All right, but in this particular one, I'll just be sharing these two platforms, that you can get good at and master very, very well. Now, the first platform I want to share with you right here to get job servicing clients is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is an amazing platform. I've been trying to get the hang of it, and so far it has been going very, very well. All right, now LinkedIn is cool because you can find a lot of business owners, who need help with their businesses, and so many businesses out there, right, they need one or two services to be rendered. So it is cool, for job servicing people, job servicing business owners to actually jump on this opportunity and provide them a premium service. Now, to enable us do this, what you can just basically do is come over to linkedin.com, create your account, have a good profile, all right, and start networking with people, basically connect with other people and send messages. Now, I've talked about DMs in the past, and a lot of people might see that it's a little bit complicated, but I just know there's something cool about it because even if it might seem a little bit difficult or complicated, all right, and a lot of people want automation and all of that, the fastest way, to just get money once, like to get $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, very, very easy, is when you focus on one thing, at a time. And also doing job servicing, all right, where you just basically sell premium services, can get you to that financial threshold faster than you think. So I recommend you try out with job servicing and get started with it because it is easy to do and it's not so complicated because you're basically providing solution to a problem someone already have out there. Okay, now the two platforms I'm going to be talking about today is going to be LinkedIn and Facebook. Okay, Facebook is an amazing platform. I recommend Facebook a lot. Okay, people might feel Facebook is no longer cool, but trust me, you're missing a lot, or you're leaving a lot of money on the table if you don't leverage Facebook. Facebook is amazing, trust me, if you know how to get around it, basically. Okay, which I'm going to be sharing with you today. So for LinkedIn, okay, what you just basically do is to come over to LinkedIn, okay, and search for people, okay, who you feel you can provide a certain service for. For what I recommend is what I do, which is marketing. Basically, I recommend you try out with marketing, basically, because with marketing you can sell services upwards of $5,000, $10,000, $3,000, $1,000, $500, okay, and make profit while doing it. All right, because some of the services and some of the tasks you don't have to do them yourself. Okay, you might be very busy, so it is easy for you to just outsource it to someone else to help render the service and deliver for that client. Okay, that is what job servicing is all about, and it is amazing. Okay, just like I said, in my next video, okay, I'll be making a step-by-step tutorial. All right, in my next job servicing video, I'll share with you step by step in a presentation. It's going to be more of a free training that will teach you how to make money with job servicing. Now, this is actually unscripted. All right, this is something that I just want to share my honest opinion and how this can actually help you, all right, to make money online. Basically, job servicing is amazing, and I recommend you do it. So once you come over to LinkedIn, this is actually a powerful tool in my own honest opinion, because when you come over to LinkedIn and you just search certain things, like I was recently searching co-founder, currently having a code, but I just want to share this real quick. For example, you just search in co-founder. Okay, I'll search in people. All right, or you can search in jobs. All right, you want to see if you want to be a co-founder, basically, or you can, if you want to look for jobs on LinkedIn, you can just do marketing, basically. Okay, in jobs, okay, basically, or in service. But what I would want to look for is co-founder. So I want to connect with people. All right, co-founder. Make sure you're clicking on people. So once you click on that, all right, you can see that you can basically see so many people who have co-founders in their title, all right, or they are actually founders of their company and all of that. So you can find a bunch of them right here, all right, and you can filter by location, by company, okay, depending on how you know about the person. All right. Oh, I'm having a serious cold right now. Okay, so you can just basically come over to the section, all right, and search for CEOs or co-founders in a particular region, basically, all right, and you can just maybe just type United Arab Emirates or something like that, yeah, UAE or so. So you can just apply, and you see a bunch of co-founders, okay, in these regions, all right. You can see a bunch of them right here that have their own businesses, or they are running their own businesses and all of that. Okay, so what you can just basically do is to check them out and see how you can connect with them. All right, now mind you, you don't want to be reaching out to someone, okay, that is selling similar service, or their company is all about what you're also doing. For example, somebody is doing marketing and sales, lead generation, which you are planning on recommending people, or which the service you're coming to render is actually marketing and lead generation also. All right, you don't want to be talking to someone who is in the same space with you, except if they are willing to basically give you the task to do, and you also give it to someone else, which would be a long process, basically. But I recommend you just look for someone, okay, that have a problem, okay, business that you feel you can recommend, you can communicate with, and share certain ideas with them. All right, let me just open one up right here. So as you can see right here, okay, this is actually this person's profile. All right, you can go through the profile, and this is the idea I want to share with you today. All right, which is what you're basically doing, okay, once you're on LinkedIn, is make sure you are you're checking this person out properly. Okay, you want to check out who they are. You want to know a lot about them. All right, you can check them out on Instagram. Okay, all you can just do is to come over here, copy their name. Okay, do your due diligence. All right, check them out online, check out if they're the right fit for what you're looking for. Okay, come over to Facebook, search them there, go over to YouTube. Okay, check this person out. You want to know a little bit about them. All right, now you can pay somebody on Fiverr, all right, about $20, okay, to help you do all of this work, okay. Basically just help you do some of the research, know some important things about them and all of that, okay. A lot of people do this all the time to enable them save time. You can also do that, but if you don't want to spend any money at all, you can take an hour of your day and just basically get to know certain people online, all right. And once you see that they are a good fit for what you want to promote, you can reach out to them and make sure any message you're sending to them is personal. You want to have some form of you want the message to be personal. Basically, that is what I recommend you do. All right, you don't want to sound like someone who is copying and pasting messages. Okay, you want to talk about maybe the recent award they just have, that they are doing an amazing job with their company, and if they will have a free time maybe within this week, okay, you would like to have a chat or a call with them for like 15 minutes or so, or 10 minutes basically. All right, if they are willing to discuss further, they should let you know. All right, and you like to share some marketing ideas with them basically. All right, so that is the simple script, okay, you can just basically use. All right, you can get creative and restructure them properly. I don't want to type them out, so you go, everybody watching this video go copy and paste this and all of that. You just need to get creative, and once you continue doing this, you'll get good over time. Trust me, I've been doing this for a while and I know the power in it. All right, you want to take it one step at a time. Now, if you're selling a marketing service for $2,000, all right, and you're outsourcing it to a company who is delivering on that service for like $1,500 or $1,000, and you're making either 50% profit or 25% profit, okay, it's actually good. All right, and once you scale higher, okay, your profit margin might can also increase as well. All right, so 50% profit margin, 70% profit margin is also good, okay, as long as it's not below 25%. All right, so you can get started and see what works for you. Job servicing is easy to do, and it's not difficult, and it's not something new. It has been around for a long time. All right, it's just for you to get creative and use it to make money. So once you find somebody you want to work with, all right, the next thing you want to do is schedule a call with them. And after scheduling a call with them, basically you want to close them on a deal. All right, and once they decide to work with you, what you can now basically do is go over to Fiverr or Upwork and look for somebody that will deliver on that service. Basically, you can scout for people to work with initially before you actually book your first client and all of that, so that once you book your first client, okay, you can just give the the professional to deliver on that service while you keep the difference basically. So you want to send them an invoice, and to send an invoice, okay, you can use any of the templates on Google Doc right here. All right, just like this one right here on Google Doc, this sales quote. Yeah, you can use this sales quote template right here. Switch out the details right here, okay, and put your own details basically. Then you're good to go. Let me just close this up. So you can just see this template right here. You can use this as an invoice, okay, just basically remove this and just put invoice. All right, and put all the details you want to put on the invoice. Put your company name and all of that, so the client can actually pay you, all right, for the service you're going to be rendering for them. So you can use Google Docs for this, or you can come over to Google Sheets. Also, there's also a template I found on the gallery section right here that you can use, okay. So you can this actually looks good, okay, and this will help you stand out and look professional also. All right, so these are all free tools you can basically use. All right, you're communicating with people on Facebook and on LinkedIn, basically building a connection with them. All right, taking them one step at a time and selling premium services to them. Make sure you're selling premium services to enable you make money faster, to get you to $1,000 a month, $3,000 or $5,000 a month and above. All right, make sure you're selling premium services that gives you a profit margin above $500 basically, or $1,000 per service. All right, that is what I highly recommend you try out, okay, and make sure you're doing your due diligence. All right, to do a little bit of recap right here, I said we're going to be looking using Facebook and LinkedIn as the main traffic source for job service. And if you're a beginner, I recommend those two platforms, and when you master them very well, okay, you can make money for free. So that's all I have for you today. If you find any value in this, give this video a like, and I recommend you share with a friend just to give value to them. All right, let me know what you think about this in the comments, and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Until next time, I'll be seeing you in the next one.